TM Innovative Solutions.
eTender's web portal. To get started, simply enter the following URL to your web browser. Browse for opportunities and currently advertised tenders. Get rid of the quick tips. We then move on to the following: tender category, description, e-submission, date advertised, and closing date. These is the recently published tenders. Let us quickly look into the submission process. Click to expand. You have an option of e-submission. Here, you only have an option to download the tender documents. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon.